Dear students, for class 9th, our today's topic is chapter 2nd polynomial. In this chapter, we will take some question based on the factorization. If the factorization of the quadratic polynomial with the help of splitting the middle term, but here the degree is 3. So first of all, find the 1 zeros of this polynomial, and our polynomial is x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. So first of all, constant term is 20, and the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. So we can take all the factors 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 in the plus and minus, and find the 1 zeros of this polynomial. So first of all, put x equal to minus 1. So minus 1 cube plus 13 into minus 1 square plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20. Minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus 13 minus 32 plus 20. Minus 1 and minus 32 is minus 33, and 13 plus 20 is 33, and whose difference is 0. Therefore, minus x equal to minus 1 is a, here x equal to minus 1, transpose minus 1 to the LHS, and x plus 1 is a factor of this polynomial px, x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. X plus 1 is a one factor. Again, divide the given polynomial by the 1 zeros x plus 1. Because x plus 1 is a factor, then it is exactly divided by the given polynomial. Our first term is x cube, and here in the divisor first term is x, so it is divided by x square time, and we can derive in this way: x cube upon x, here x square is remaining, so it is divided by x square time. So x square multiplied in x plus 1, first of all x square multiplied in x, x cube, x square multiplied in 1, x square, subtract it, so change our sign, plus to minus, x cube and x cube cancel, 13 minus 1 is 12x square plus 32x plus 20. Again, 12x square is the first term and it is divided by x, so 12x time 12x square upon x, here x and x cancel, and it is divided by 12x time, so 12x multiplied by x plus 1. So first 12x square, and 12x into 1 is 12x. Again subtract it, 32 minus 12 is 20x plus 20. Again 20x divided by x time, so plus 20. So 20x plus 20, both are cancelled. So it is exactly divisible, and x square plus 12x plus 20 is the quotient. Again, find the factors of this x square plus 12x plus 20 with the help of splitting the middle term. Last term is 20, and 20 into 1 is 20. So determine the factor of 20 whose sum is 12. So 10 and 2 are the two factors. So 10 plus 2 is 12, and 10 into 2 is 20. So x square plus 10x plus 2x plus 20. Here two pairs are x square plus 10x and 2x plus 20. First x is common, then x plus 10 is remaining. Again 2 is common and x plus 10 is remaining. So x plus 10 and x plus 2. So the finally, hence the factors are x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 10. Let's switch to the next question, and our next question is find the value of k if x minus 3 is a factor of k square x cube minus kx square plus 3kx minus k. Here x minus 3 is a factor. In the solution we can start here. X minus 3 is a factor of k square x cube minus kx square plus 3kx minus k. X minus 3 is a factor, so using the factor theorem, here the remainder is 0. For finding the remainder, first of all find the 0. So put x minus 3 equal to 0, then x equal to 3. So x equal to 3 is a 0. So put x equal to 3 in this given polynomial. Put x equal to 3, then put x equal to 3 in px. Here px is the, let px equal to k square x cube minus kx square plus 3kx minus k. So the remainder is p3, and here the remainder is 0 because it is a factor. So k square in place of x 3 cube minus k into 3 square plus 3k into 3 minus k equal to 0. 3 cube is 27 k square, 3 square is 9k, here 3 and 3 is 9 plus 9k minus k equal to 0. Plus 9k and minus 9k are cancelled. So the remaining term is k is 27k square minus k equal to 0. Again k is common, so 27k minus 1. Here there are two factors, k and 27 minus k minus 1. So k equal to 0 or 27k minus 1 equal to 0. Here 27k minus 1 equal to 0, so 27k equal to 1 and k equal to 1 upon 27. In this question k equal to 0 is not possible. K equal to 0 is not possible because if we put k equal to 0 in the px, then all the polynomial is 0. So the final answer is k equal to 1 upon 27. Our next question is factorize 27y cube plus 125z cube. In this type of question we are using the identity. Here the identity is a cube plus b cube. For using the a cube plus b cube, first of all make the whole cube. So in place of 27 we can put 3 cube, then 3y whole cube. Here 125 can be written 5 cube, so 5z cube. So it is a cube plus b cube. and here the identity is a cube plus b cube is a plus b, in the next bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Put the values of a and b, 3y cube and 5z cube. So 3y plus 5z, in the next bracket 3y cube square minus 3y into 5z, and again 5z square. In the next step 3y plus 5z is the first factor. In the second factor 3y whole square is 9y square minus 3 5 is 15yz, and again 5 square is 25 z square. This is the factor of given question. Our next question is also factorize 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz and plus 4xz. In this question we are using the identity a plus b plus c whole square, and it is equivalent to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here we are using this identity and our question is related for the RHS part. So compare it: a square 4x square, b square y square and c square z square, 2ab minus 4xy, 2bc minus 2yz and 2ca 4xz. So first of all make the whole square of first three terms. Here 4x square can be converted into 2x square plus y square and z square. This is equivalent to a square plus b square plus c square. Again 2ab, here 2ab is negative, and next term 2bc is negative. So in the product of AB and BC, one term should be negative. So here B is common. So we can take B is negative. So here minus y. So put 2AB plus 2 into 2x into minus y. And these are equivalent to plus minus minus, and 2 into 2 is 4xy. Again 2bc, 2 into minus y into z. These are equivalent to minus 2yz. And again 2ca, here c is z and a is 2x. So our question is in the form of the identity a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, and it is equivalent to a plus b plus c 2x plus a plus b plus c, but here in place of b is minus y, so we can put minus y plus c is z, so a plus b plus c and its whole square.